Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix it if After Effects doesn't show all layers from an Illustrator file. Let's open an Illustrator file. Here I have this logo and I've already separated all the parts into different layers so I can easily apply animation to each part inside Adobe After Effects. Let's try to import it in After Effects. Here, if I import my file, you can see that the canvas doesn't show anything. I definitely don't want this. I want all the layers inside After Effects. So if you're facing the same issue, then this video is absolutely for you guys. Now let's jump into Illustrator and fix this. Go to the File menu, click on Document Color Mode. Here, if it says CMYK, change it to RGB. Now let's go to File again, click on Save As, choose a location, rename the file, and then click Save. Here, you need to make sure you check the option that says Create PDF Compatible File, and then click OK. Now let's jump back into After Effects and import the new file that we just created. Now it will give you this option called Import Kind. What you want to do is select Composition. Leave this set to Layer Size and press OK. Now we have a new composition created from the file we imported. If I double-click on the composition now, you can see that After Effects is showing all the layers properly and I can finally start doing my animation work without any issues. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.